Hello. Yes, good evening to everyone. Today we will do the second session on problems on quadratic equation. Okay. Already we have done one session on problems on quadratic equation. On that session, we already finished two category. Okay. Already we finished two category. What are they? Problems on numbers. Already we finished problems on numbers and problems on time and distance. Okay. Problems on numbers and problems on time and distance. Already we finished. Okay. Now we will do the we'll try to do two category mode. One is upstream and downstream problems. Okay, problems related on upstream and downstream. Already you are guessing what will be the types of problems. Okay, and one more category, that is ages upon ages. That is number 3 category on upstream and downstream of river, and problems on ages we will try to finish today. Okay, understood? That is, these will be the two categories for today's session. Okay, let us start. First, we'll try to explain what is upstream and downstream. Actually, what are they? Okay, I'm explaining this. Say, consider one river. Consider river, and the river, the water flowing to this direction. Understood? And on this river, there is a boat. That is a boat. Okay. There is one member. Understood? Okay, there is a boat. Now, this is the direction of the stream of the river. Okay, stream. Direction of the stream. Okay, direction of the stream. And in the still water, say in the still water, the speed of the boat in still water, consider in still water, the speed of the boat is say x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Okay, and the stream of the river is say y kilometer per hour. Understood? This is the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. Okay, in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. Assume x kilometer per hour and stream y kilometer per hour. Now, if the boat flows in this direction, the direction of the stream, in the same direction E be the same, that is x kilometer per hour of the boat, x kilometer per hour, and the river y kilometer per hour, then the resultant speed, it is called resultant speed. Resultant speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour. It is called downstream speed. Understood? Downstream speed. This is along the river flow if the boat flows. Okay, if the boat travel along the river of the along the stream of the river, then it is called downstream. The resultant speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour. It is called the downstream speed, resultant speed, downstream of the boat. Understood? Of course, the speed of the boat will increase. Understood? Of course, because to increase the speed of the boat, this x kilometer per hour will help y kilometer per hour. That is, help means here plus. This way you will remember. Okay. It is called downstream. Downstream. Downstream speed. Understood? It is called downstream speed. Now, consider the same case. If the river flows in the direction, there is right direction, and the boat in this opposite direction. Okay, here it will be x kilometer per hour. What? Oh, the boat is still water. It is then still water. Okay, it is still water. Now, what will be the resultant speed? What will be the resultant speed? Will be x minus y kilometer per hour. It is called upstream speed. It is called what? It is called upstream speed. Understood? If the direction of the boat and the direction of the stream in opposite direction, then it will be the upstream speed. Understood? And the resultant speed will be what? Resultant speed of whom? Of whose? The boat will be x minus y. That is, you have to subtract the speed of the what? Stream. You have to subtract from the boat's speed. Understood? So, of course, the resultant speed will be lesser in compared to the resultant speed of the downstream. Understood? Resultant speed, that means, of course, will be lesser in compared to x also. Of course, it will be x. Understood? Now, depending upon these two cases, upstream and downstream, we'll do some problems. Okay, how we can solve the real life application depending upon these two cases. Understood? I think it will be clear. It is clear to you. Okay. Now, consider one problem. Okay, read this problem first. Read this problem carefully. Understood? I think. Yeah. Okay. What is this? The speed of the boat in the still water is 15 km per hour. It is given. The speed of the boat. Say it is the river. Okay. And here is the boat. Speed is given 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. It is the speed of the boat. Okay. It goes 20 km upstream and return back at the same point. I am showing you the problem again. See, you read also. The speed of the boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It goes 30 km upstream, that is, and returns back. That is, there is a distance. The length of the distance is 30 km. Understood? And returns back means downstream. At the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Total time. What's the total time given? What's the total time? Total time. Total time is 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Find the speed of the stream. Oh, you have to find the speed of the stream. That is the stream of the water. It is not given. Say uh, x kilometer per hour. Assume x kilometer per hour. The stream speed. Of course, it will be then same direction. Okay. Now, the boat speed in the still water 50 kilometer per hour. It is given. Now, there are two cases. One is upstream and downstream. Total time. Now, we have to follow one thing. The resultant speed in case of upstream. In case of upstream. In case of upstream. Resultant speed. Resultant speed of the boat. The boat will be what? In case of upstream, from the boat you have to subtract the speed of the river. Okay. The speed of the river is x kilometer. Speed of the boat is 15 kilometer. Resultant speed will be 15 minus x kilometer per hour. Understood? I think clear? Then, what will be the speed in case of downstream? In case of the whole bit type. For this case, find the time also. Say time is t1. There is a formula. S is equal to bt. Do you know what is this? S means distance, b means speed here, t means time. So what will be the time? T is equal to s by b. T will be the s by b. B means speed. So time, say t1. In case of the upstream, t will be s. What is the distance? 30. What is the speed resultant? 15 minus x. Understood? 15 minus x. Now, in case of downstream. In case of downstream. Downstream, the resultant speed of the boat will be what? 15 plus x. Understood? Per hour. So what will be time taken? That is when it will back from here to here. This is the time taken from this place to this place. And the time for downstream, say T2. Say T2 is equal to what? Same distance, 30 by 15 plus x. Hour. Actually, time will be in hour. This hour. This hour. Understood? Hour. Right. The total time given 4 hours 30 minutes. Right. Therefore, according to the question, what will be the equation? T1 plus T2 is equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. You have to convert into hour totally. This implies what? T1 means 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x. T2 is equal to 4 plus 30 minutes means 30 by 60 hours. Understood? This implies now you have to solve this one and find the value of x. What they say? X value to what to find? The speed of the stream. speed of the river water. Okay, x. Now solve it. Equation formation complete. Now you have to solve. It is the last step. How will you solve it? 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x equals to 4 plus 1 by 2. Is it? Okay, I am doing here. This is actually what? This is actually 9 by 2. Is it? Yes. Take common 30. Take common 30. Then within bracket 1 by 15 minus x plus 1 by 15 plus x. This is equal to 9 by 2. Correct? This implies what? Divide by 3. That is 10 into, simplify. What will be the LCM? 15 minus x, 15 plus x. 15 minus x, that is 15 plus x plus 15 minus x. Understood? Simple is equal to 3 by 2. Why 3 here? Because you are dividing both sides by 3. 3 times are 30, 3 is are 9. Okay. This implies, here see x cancel. So 30, here also 10 into 15, 15, 30 by 15 square minus x square. Understood? This is equal to 3 by 2. This implies divide again by what? 3. 10 into 10 by 15 square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2. Is it? This implies 15 square, that is 225 minus x square is equal to 200. Understood? I think clear? This implies minus x square equals to 200 minus 225. This implies x square equal to 25. Understood? Therefore, x equal to plus minus 5. See, you got x equal to plus minus 5. Understood? See, x equal to plus minus 5. But we assumed x equal to speed of the river water. But the river water, the speed of the river water cannot be what? Negative. Therefore, speed of the stream is equal to 5 km per hour. 5 km per hour. This is the answer. Okay. Answer will be 5 km. Option A. Understood? Option A is the answer. 5 km per hour. You have to write here. Since the speed cannot be negative. Understood? Go to the next problem. Problem number 14. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour 30 minutes more to go 36 kilometer upstream than to return downstream to the same point. Find the speed of the stream. Okay. Okay. Read this problem carefully and try to solve. I am also doing here. Let me few seconds to erase the board. Okay. Understood? Okay. You read. তোমাদের সামনে প্রবলেমটা রাখো, মোবাইলের মধ্যে প্রবলেমটা রেখে তোমরা দেখে দেখে সেই প্রবলেমটা সলভ করো। ওকে, a motorboat whose speed is 18 km/h in still water, it is already given. It is already given. So this is the river water. Okay, motorboat, still water, speed is 18 km/h. Okay, you have to find the speed of the stream, say x km/h, right? What is the condition here given? Say takes means here motorboat, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes more to go 36 km upstream than to return downstream. Okay, so what will be the downstream time, what will be the upstream time? I'm writing it directly. In case of upstream, in case of upstream, time taken, time by the boat, motorboat. Okay, in case of upstream, time taken by the motorboat is what? So t1 will be distance by speed. What is the distance? 36 kilometers. What will be the speed in case of upstream? So 18 minus x. I wrote here directly. Understood? 18 minus x. This hour. Okay. Again, in case of downstream, time taken, say t2, this equal to what? 36 by 18 plus x hour. Understood? Now, which time is greater, t1 or t2? Of course, t1 is greater, isn't it? t1 is greater since upstream, in case of upstream, time will be taken by the more. Okay, excess here t1 greater than t2. Okay, so according to the question, you can write t1 minus t2 is equal to what? 1 hour 30 minutes more, isn't it? See, 1 hour 30 minutes more. Yes, 1 hour 30 minutes more. That means difference will be what? 1 hour 30 minutes. Understood? 1 hour 30 minutes. Now simplify. Actually, this is the equation. Equation formation complete. So what is T1? T1 is equal to 36 by 18 minus x minus 36 by 18 plus x. This equal to 1 hour, 30 minutes means half hour. Understood? This implies take common 36, it is 1 by 18 minus x minus 1 by 18 plus x. Understood? This is equal to what? 3 by 2. Clear? Understood? Now simplify this one. This is the equation actually. Clear? Now divide both sides by 3. What you will get here? 12. Simplify. LCM. Understood? 18 plus x minus 18 plus x. Why? Here will be plus since minus in front. This is equal to 3 by 2 divided. So here will be 1. Since you divided both sides by 3, 3 দিয়ে both sides divide করে দিয়েছো. Okay, 3 not equal to 0. So you can divide both sides by 3. Right? এখন কি করবে? What to do? 18 cancelled. You have to do the calculation. You have to do the calculation carefully. Okay. See, that is 12 into 2x. Here 18 square minus x square. Right? Is equal to half. Understood? This implies 24x. 18 square means, what is 18 square? Tell me. Who are here? Anyone here in front? Tell me what is 18 square? No one here. What it is 18 square? 334. 334. Is it? No. Who can tell? I forgot it. Okay. If you forget, then how will you find 18 square? 18 square. 8 8s are 64. Carry 6. 8 1s are 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Then 18. 4, 12, 324. Okay. 324 minus x square. Understood? 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. Then 18 square 324 minus x square is equal to half. Up to this clear. Okay. Now you have to do all calculations carefully and do one thing. We'll do one thing. You'll remember starting from say square and square root, starting from 11 up to 30, 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, up to 30 square. You'll remember. It will help you. If you fall in confusion, you'll multiply. Right? Now what to do? By cross multiplication, see, what do you get? 24, that is 48 x. This is equal to 24 into 2, 48, and 324 minus x square. Understood? This implies x square plus 48x minus 324 equals to 0. Understood? This is a quadratic equation of x. By middle term method, you have to solve it. By middle term method, you solve it. Now, how will you solve? Factorize 324. 324, that is 2, 1 are 2, 6, 2. Okay, 2, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. How will you find? See, 3 2s are 6. Multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 54. 54 and 6. Is it? 54 minus 6 is equal to what? 48. 54 minus 6 is equal to 48. You got 54 minus 6. So x square plus 54 minus 6 into x minus 324 equal to 0. This implies x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 equal to 0. Understood? Now, take common x plus 54, okay, minus 6x plus 54. We check. This implies x plus 54 into x minus 6 equal to 0. Either x equal to minus 54 or x equals to 6. Okay, but speed of the river, that means water in river, cannot be negative. So this value is not acceptable. So what will be the answer? 6 kilometer per hour. That is option C. Okay. Next problem. Say. Read the problem. Actually, these types of problem you can get in the exam in case of study. The case study method. Case study problem, you will get such types of problem. Right? That is, the speed of a boat in still water is x kilometer per hour and the speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour. Right? So first you draw the picture. It is the river. Okay, water. It is what is given? Still water, a boat. Boat speed is given what? X kilometer per hour. Okay, boat speed. And speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour. Right. Write the speed of the boat upstream in terms of x. It is Roman number. Question number Roman 1. That is, with the speed of the boat, there is resultant speed. Okay. Resultant speed of the boat upstream. Upstream means against the flow of the water. It will be x minus 3 km. Understood? 3 km per hour. That is, reverse speed will be subtracted. Roman number 2. What is Roman number 2? Write the speed of the boat in downstream. Okay, downstream will be what? Of course, plus downstream will be higher. If the boat goes 15 km upstream and 22 km downstream, okay, in 5 hours, that is total time is 5 hours. Okay, total time is 5 hours. That means here distance is separate. In case of upstream, the boat goes 15 km. This for upstream. What will be the time? Say time t1, distance 15 km, x minus 3 hours. Understood? In case of downstream, the time taken, say t2, but the distance is different. Distance. First, in case of upstream, it was 15 km and 22 km downstream. 22. What is the resultant speed? X plus 3. X plus 3 hours. Okay. In 5 hours, there is a total time. So, according to the question, T1 plus T2 is equal to 5 hours. Understood? Write an equation in X. Represent the statement. Okay. This implies T1 is equal to what? What is T1? 15 by x minus 3 plus what is T2? 22 by x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is the equation. Okay. And number 4, it was number 3. Okay. And number 4, what to find? You have to find the value of x. That is, you have to solve it. Okay. You will solve yourself. The same. Just agar problem er moto. Just I have done the previous problem, that is problem number 14. You will solve and find the value of x. The answer will be, I am giving you the answer will be 8 km per hour. The option B. Answer will be option B, 8 km per hour. We'll check. Okay. Go to the next one. What is the problem here? A boat moves through the water x km per hour. That is still water. Okay. It makes a journey 20 km upstream against the current of 3 km per hour and then returns with the current means downstream. Understood? Against current means upstream and with current means downstream. The same thing. How fast must the boat travel through the water in order to complete the trip in 5 hours? That is, the same problem as 17. Total time T1 plus T2. You will find T1, you will find T2, T1 plus T2 is equal to what? 5 hours. Problem solved. Same problem. Okay, you will try. All are giving boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and the boat in still water. Okay, understood the problem. The stream speed is not given. The speed of the boat in still water is not given. You have to find the both speed. Understood? So you have to form the equation that is first draw. Say it is a river. Say y kilometer per hour. Okay, and the speed of the boat. Say x kilometer per hour. Understood? In upstream, in upstream case, resultant speed will be what? X plus y, sorry, x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay, in upstream. In downstream, resultant speed x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay, x plus y kilometer per hour in downstream and upstream. Okay, this is the resultant speed of boat for boat. Now what to find? There are two conditions given. Read the problem again carefully. See, read the problem again carefully. Better you take a screenshot. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. Total time taken by the boat is 10 hours. That is upstream time and downstream time is 10 hours. Okay, that is in the first part. In the first part, you can write what? In the first part, 30 kilometer upstream. What will be the time? 30 by upstream. Upstream means x minus y plus, and 44 kilometer downstream. 44 by downstream means x plus y. The total time is 10 hours. It is the first equation. In the first part, you're getting this one. Okay, it is, say, okay, divide by 2, that is 15 by x minus y plus 22 by x plus y is equal to what? 5. If you divide by 2 both sides, you get this one. You're getting 15 and 22, right? 5. So it is number 1. In the second part, what you are getting? In the second part, 30 hours. Total time is what? 13. 13 hours. It can go 40 kilometer upstream. 40 kilometer upstream. 40 x minus y plus and 55 kilometer downstream. 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed. That is, say it is number 2. You have to solve both the equation 1 and 2 for two variables x and y. Yes, Ramanuj, good evening. Okay. Solve this x and y. Solve for x and y. Already we learned simultaneous linear equations of two variables. Already learned in class 9. Okay. Simultaneous equation of linear equations of two variables. Okay, this is the simultaneous equation, linear equation of two variables x and y. Okay, by solving 1 and 2, you will get the values x and y. That is speed of the boat in still water and river stream, speed of the river stream. Okay, now solve this. How will you solve? How will you solve? Let 1 by x plus y, say a, and 1 by x minus y, say b. Therefore, we get what? C. From 1, 15b plus 22a is equal to 5. From 2, 40b plus 55a is equal to 13. Is it? Okay. Now you have to solve this one. That is, now you forget x and y. Solve for a and b. Solve for a and b, and find the value of a and value of b. Okay. Linear simultaneous equation of a and b. Just we convert it, we transformed here. Say from b, that is from the first equation, transformed equation, this is equal to 5 minus 22a. Okay, so what is b? 5 minus 22a by 15. Okay, put the value of b here in this equation, that is 40 into b. What is the value of b? 5 minus 22a. 22a. If you do carefully, by 15 is the value of b plus 55a is equal to 13. I replace the value of b in terms of a, that is 40 into b. 40 into b, this is the value of b. 5 minus 22a by 15 plus 55a is equal to 13. Okay, now solve this and find the value of a. Okay, from 40, 15, 5 b. Okay, that is denominator 3 multiplied by 8, 40 minus 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 17. A plus 55 A is equal to 30. Right? You have to do carefully. Now multiply by 3. All terms, left side as well as right side. Now what we are getting? See, if you multiply by 3, it will be 40 minus 76 A plus multiply by 3. Okay, this is equal to what is this? Club these two. 176, 165. Subtract what you're getting. 1, 1, 0. Is it? That is 40 minus 11A is equal to 39. Is it? See. This implies what? 40 minus 39 is equal to 11A. Understood? This implies 11A is equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 11. So, you got A is equal to 1 by 11. Very good. Lengthy process. I am writing here A is equal to 1 by 11. What is B? Find out. Now, putting the value of A where? Here, put B is equal to 5 minus 22 into A. What is 1 by 11? 515. That means 5 minus 2. That means 5. Yes, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. That means 3 by 15. That means 1 by 5. So you got B is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Check. B is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now you got A and B. I am erasing this part. Right. Now A is equal to what? A is equal to 1 by 11. Right. So what is assumed A? A is equal to 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. This implies x plus y is equal to 11. Similarly, B is equal to what? B is equal to 1 by 5. That means 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. This implies x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. Right. Now add these two. That is 2x equal to what? 16. 2x equal to 16. That means x equal to 8. Subtract these two again. From this to this, 2y is equal to what? Oh, what I wrote here? 5. Okay, 5. And subtract these two. There is 2y, x will be cancelled. 11 minus 5. That is what? 6, right? Y is equal to 3. So you got these two, x equal to 8 and y is equal to 3. This is the answer. That means uh, speed of the stream, 3 kilometer per hour, and speed of the boat in still water is what? 8 kilometer per hour. So which option? Which option? See, which option? 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Option B. Option B is the answer. Understood? Option B is the answer. A lengthy problem. And you have to solve this problem carefully. If you forget the process of solving of linear simultaneous equation of two variables, then problem will arise. So to revise again. Understood? Now what is the next one? Problem number 18. The speed of a motorboat is 20 km per hour. For covering the distance of 15 km, the boat took 1 hour. Okay. Oh, 1 hour more for upstream, then downstream. Oh, it is a case study problem. Okay. Already the same pattern is a case study problem. Already the same pattern problem we have done. So it is for your homework. Understood? If you face any problem in solving, of course you will message me, I will do. Okay, I am showing you again this problem. You take a screenshot. It will be better for you. Okay. What is the next problem? Oh, already we came in the second category. For upstream, downstream problems already finished. And there are a lot of problems, but all problems the same category, depending upon the same basic concept. X plus y, x minus y. Downstream, upstream speed. You will find all problems will be same category. Okay. If you do carefully. Now, in the third category, the fourth category, I think, age. Oh, there is a time. I'm showing you live stream class 9 only in Friday. That is today. I'm doing class 10 Sunday only 9:30 same time 9:30 evening, and class 11 I'm going to start on Tuesday 9:30 class 11 maths. Okay. This is the first problem on age. Okay. First you read the sum of the ages of a father and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 34 years. Was 34 actually. Don't say years. Find the ages of the son and father. Okay. So before studying these types of problem, this category, I am showing you one trick for these types of problem. Okay. I am showing you one trick. Let me a few seconds. For age category problems, there's some trick. First, we draw a line. These are the imaginary number line, imaginary timeline. You can say imaginary. Say it is the present. It is present. It is the present time. Previous time. Okay, it will be the after coming time. Okay, or after time, whatever be. It is the future coming. It is the present. It is the past. Say father present is x years, son present is y years. We do not know. So previous year, say 3 years before. For example, 3 years before, the ages will be x minus 3 and y minus 3. Okay, and hence that means after 3 years or 5 years, say 5 years, the ages will be what? X plus 5 years, and here will be what? Y plus 5 years. Understood? This will imagine by drawing line. It's a timeline. Okay, previous, present, after coming years. Okay, you will imagine this category, then it will be helpful for you. Okay, now consider the problem. Consider the problem. Okay, have you seen? Consider the problem. The sum of the ages of father and his son is 45 years. Let the present age father x years, son 45 years, son. Okay, say y years, present age. Okay, the sum of the ages of father and his son is, that is x plus y is equal to 45. This is the first condition. Okay, 5 years ago means before, previous. This is past. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Father's age was what? X minus 5 years. Son age what? Y minus 5 years. Now what is the condition given? 5 years ago, the product of their ages. Product. Therefore, x minus 5 into x y minus 5 is equal to what? 34. Understood? The product of their ages, x minus 5 and y minus 5 is equal to 34. Now, by solving this equation, say it is given, give it to this and this, find the values of x and y. How will you solve? How will you solve it? Multiply. This implies what? xy minus 5x multiply by x into y, xy, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, plus xy, x into y, xy, plus 25 equal to 34. Okay, this implies xy, what I did, I've done a mistake, x by x multiply x into y, xy, okay, minus 5 x, correct, minus 5y, minus 5y, that's okay, xy minus 5x minus 5y is equal to 34 minus 25. Okay, this implies xy minus 5x minus 5y is equal to what? Is equal to what? 34 minus 25, 9. Right? Now, see one thing. From here, x equal to what? X equal to 45 minus y. Is it? X equal to 45 minus y. Put the value of x here. 45 minus y. 45 minus y into y minus 5 into 45 minus y, okay, minus 5y equal to 9, correct. Now you solve. Multiply by y, that is 45y minus y square minus 5 into 45. 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 2, 2, 5, okay. 5y minus 5y is equal to 9. 5y cancel. This implies minus y square plus 45y minus y square plus 45y minus 225 minus 9 is equal to 0. Understood? Now, say multiply by minus 1, that is y square minus 45y plus multiply by minus plus y square minus 45y, both will be plus 25 plus, that is 234 is equal to 0. Okay, 234. Now it is a quadratic equation, is not it? Quadratic equation, solve. You have to bring what? 45. Factorize 234. This 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 7. Is it? By 3, this is a 9. Okay. Again 3, 1, 3, 13. See, these two, 6 and 39. 6 plus 39. Is it? 6 plus 39. So, y square minus 39 plus 6, y plus 234 equal to 0. Simplify. Y square minus 39y minus 6y plus 234 equal to 0. This implies take common y minus 39 minus take common 6y minus 39 equal to 0. This implies y minus 39 y minus 6 equals to 0. Either y is equal to 39 or y is equal to 6. Okay, that is, see, 39 and y is equal to 6. Now which problem? 39 and 6. Yes, Ramal is correct. 39 and 6, but the y value. Now what will be the value x? But which value will be acceptable here? Here it is a value of y and we consider the value of sun, is not it? Sun's here ages will be what? So consider the smaller one, sun's age, son and father age. Consider the smaller one because 39 it will be bigger. Okay, but you have to check which comes. Check. When if the sun says be 39, then what happened? If the sun says 6, then what happened? You have to find the value of what? X. If sun is 39, then for father is coming what? Negative. Understood? You can't consider 39. Getting my point or not? If you consider y is equal to 39, what you are getting here? Y is equal to 39, 45 minus 39, negative. That is not possible. So this value 39 is not acceptable. So you have to accept the value of what? Y is equal to 6. You have to see it carefully. Otherwise, problem will arise. That is, if you take y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6, then what you are getting? X equal to what? 639. X equal to 39. Now it is correct. So son's age 6 and father age x 39. That is 39 and 6. 39 and 6. That is option A. Understood? Both below you can't consider. Both below. Both are positive. No problem. But 39 you can't accept. If you accept 39, see, from here x coming negative. Clear? Go to the next one. 5 years ago, woman's age was the square of her son's age. Okay. To do, first read the problem carefully. ভালো করে প্রবলেমটা প্রথম দেখো, বুঝতে পারলে? And try to construct the equation. First draw the line, timeline. Take the screenshot. First to take the screenshot. I'm showing you again. Take screenshot and try. Okay. Now say 5 years ago, present line. Okay. Women's. Say women's present age is X years and his sons say Y years. Present. Okay. 5 years ago in back. 5 years back. 5 years X minus 5 years and Y minus 5 years. Okay, son. 5 years ago, woman's age was the square of her son's age. Woman's age, that is X minus 5 is equal to the square Y minus 5 square. This is the equation number 1. Understood? 10 years hence, that means after 10 years. After 10 years. What will be their age after 10 years? That is X plus 10 years. Here Y plus 10. Okay. After 10 years, her age will be, her age means will be X minus 5. It will be X plus 10. Her age. Okay. Women's age. Her will be twice that of her son's age. Twice that of her son's age. Y plus 10. This number 2. See the equations carefully. Okay. See the equations carefully. Now, you have to solve these both. This implies what? X plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. This implies what? X is equal to 2y plus 10. Is it? Give it number 3. Now, put the value of x in terms of y in equation number 1. Now, that means we are getting, say, x minus 5 is equal to first you simplify y square minus 10y plus 25. Is it? Y square minus 10y. Twice ab plus b square. Okay. Now put the value of x. X means 2y plus 10 minus 5 is equal to y square minus 10y plus 25. This implies what? 2y plus 5 is equal to y square minus 10y plus 25. 2y is equal to y square minus 10y plus 20. Okay. Now see y square minus 12y plus 20 equal to 0. Understood? How I did it? Shift this term to y in the right side. It will be minus, so minus 10y minus 2y plus 12y. All are lying already in right side. That is plus, no change of sign. Now, middle term method. This is a quadratic form. Solve. Y square minus, you have to bring 12. 10 twos are 20. Okay. 10y minus 2y plus 20 equal to 0. Correct. Take y common, minus 10 minus 2 into y minus 10 equal to 0. This implies y minus 10, y minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, either y equal to 10 or 2. Y is equal to 10 or 2. Right. Is it? What to find? The age of the sun 5 years ago. The present age of the woman. The present age of the woman will be what? X. How will you find X? Present age. How will you find X? That is X equal to this. Put here. That is, put Y is equal to 10. 10 to the 20 plus 10, 30. Present age is 30. 30 years. Okay. Present age is 30 years, and if you put Y 5 years ago, 5 years, the age of the sun 5 years ago, number 1. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Which one? The age of the sun 5 years ago. This. That is, if you put Y is equal to 10, you are getting what? This equals to 5 years. 10 minus 5. So these two are the answers. We'll write separately. But I'm showing here. Okay, the answer will be what? You have to see it carefully. What to find? It's a case study problem. Roman 1, the age of the sun 5 years ago. The 5 years ago, the sun's age was y minus 5. If you consider y is equal to, actually 2 is not acceptable. Understood? If you put 2, negative coming. 2 is not acceptable. So you have to consider 10. 10 minus 5, that is 5 years. It is the Roman 1 answer. Roman 2, present age of the woman. If you put here, present age means what? X. Present age, assume to X. Okay, X is equal to 2y plus 10. That means put 20 plus 30, 30. Understood? No, Roman is not correct. 5 and 30. 5 and 30, which option? See, 5 and 30. 5 and 30, yes, option A. Option A is the answer. Option A. Okay. What's the next problem? See, 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his son's age. In 3 years time, that means after 3 years, his age will be 4 times his son's age. Find the same problem. Understood? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Okay. Problem number 22. The age of a man is twice the square of his son. 8 years hence, the age of the man will be 4 years more than 3 times of his son's age. Find that present age. Okay. This is also the same. Take a screenshot. All are same category problem. Okay. First of all, what to do? You have to read all the problems carefully. Understood? And you have to what? You have to construct the equation depending on the given statement. Before, after, present. You have to see all these conditions, given conditions carefully. Okay. Then you will be able to convert the given statement into equation form. All are same category. And you will consider this timeline. Then it will be easier to understand. Roughly you will do. This is the present age. This is the before, past age, ago, and hence means after, or 3 years later, okay. Then considering the ages present, after and before, we will construct the equation. All are the same, right? Okay. See the next one. Oh, came already. You came in the end of this session. Okay. See, so already you have done, see, 4 problems, 4 category: problem on numbers, time and distance, upstream and downstream, and ages. Already we have done. Okay. Ages problem, the problem remaining, যে প্রবলেম গুলি আমি এখানে করিনি, the remaining problem you will try yourself, others I will do if you face problem. These all problems are important problems. In some year came in board. Okay. And I tried to cover all category, all method, right? If you face, also I'm telling again, I'm also telling, if you face any problem in any stage to understand, to do, that I have not done the problems, of course you will message me. I'll do, I'll try. Okay. So thank you. This is all up to this today. Thank you. Good night. Take care.